Hello everyone. So this question is given by Ramanujan. This is a problem given by Ramanujan or solved by Ramanujan, that when we have these two equations, suppose I say this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2, how to find the value of x and y. We know when we have any two equations for two variables, we can find out the value of x and y. But here you can see that we have square root on x, and in second equation we have square root on y. So how should we proceed in this case? First step is I will subtract one of the equation from other. What can I do? Subtract equation 1 from 2. What will I get? I will get x minus under root x, right, plus under root y minus y is equal to 11 minus 7, right? This x plus under root y is here and I subtracted this from this, right? Okay, can I write it as x minus y minus under root x minus under root y? Do you understand this step? What did I do? I took this and this together. I wrote this x and y together, and this was minus root x plus root y. What did I do? I took minus common, that is why it became under root x and minus under root y. Because when you will open the bracket, the sign will again become this, right? Why did I do that? Because I know what is x. X is under root x whole square, right? What is y? Y is under root y whole square. Under root x whole square minus under root y whole square, right? Minus this is under root x minus under root y is equal to 4, right? Okay, now if we remember this identity, what is this identity? A square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. So if we see here, this is under root x plus under root y, under root x minus under root y, minus this is under root x minus under root y equals to 4, right? Now as we can see here, we have this equation. Now in this term is common, right? So I can take minus x minus y common. I will be left with under root x plus under root y minus 1, right? Okay, so we had two equations, but now eventually we came on one equation only. Whenever you see this type of case that you have two variables and one equation, always I use this technique in my classes, that whenever you see that you have one equation and two variables, always try to factorize the right hand side. What will it become? Under root x minus under root y, under root x plus under root y minus 1, left hand side as it is. Now 4 can be written as, what are the factors of 4? It is either 1 times 4 or 4 times 1 or 2 times 2. Do you have any other factor except this? No. So these are the factors of 4. So if I say I will take all three cases, okay? So I take first 1 times 4, or maybe what can we do? I take case 1. Okay, so if it is case 1 is 1 cross 4, 1 times 4. If it is 1 times 4, under root x minus under root y is 1. Under root x plus under root y minus 1 is equal to 4. Okay. Now you add these equations. Adding, this will cancel out. You will get under root 2 under root x minus 1 is equal to 5. 2 under root x is equal to 6. When 1 will go to that side, it will become positive. And under root x is equal to 3. X is equal to 9. So when you know under root x is 3, then by this equation you can calculate y. Okay. So we can calculate y. If you see given equation, it is under root x plus y equal to 7. So by under root x plus y equal to 7, 3 plus y is equal to 7, y is equal to 4. So in first case, x is 9, y is 4. Now we will take case 2. Case 2, I will take, instead of 1 cross 4, I will take 4 cross 1. This is case 2, right? So under root x minus under root y is 4 and under root x plus under root y minus 1 is equal to 1, right? Now when I add them, adding, this will cancel out. It is 2 under root x is equal to 5 plus 1. The same case, right? Eventually we are adding them and one of them is this. So we will get the same thing. Under root x 3 and y is 4. So case 1 and case 2 both are giving x 9 and y 4. Now let us jump to case number 3. What is case 3? In case 3, we have two equations. I will take under root x minus under root y as 2. Under root x minus under root y as 2. And under root x plus under root y minus 1 as 2. Right? Because product of these two terms is 4. So I will take this 2 and this 2. Right? Now when I adding, what will I get? This will cancel out, right? 2 under root x minus 1 is equal to 4. 2 under root x is equal to 5. Under root x is equal to 5 by 2, right? And x is equal to 25 by 4. And then y, what is y? Because we know the equation under root x plus y. Our first equation under root x plus y is 7. So y is equal to 7 minus under root x, that is 5 by 2, right? So 2 7s are 14 minus 5 and 9 by 2, right? So y is 9 by 2, x is 25 by 4. This is the third case. So we got our answers. I hope you understand this. If you understood this, do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.